Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to change custom keys on SONY ZV-E10. First, what you need to do is open up the menu, then go to the second tab and 8th page, and there it is, custom keys. Now you can change all of the buttons to different ones, to whatever you like, and also change the video keys, but most of them are set at just to follow the ones that you have with photos. And there's also this one. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.